Hello everybody, how are you today? Are you ready for the lesson? So let's start today's lesson. Module number 1, the lesson, famous scientists. Сәлеметсіздер ме оқушылар? Бүгінгі біздің сабағымыздың тақырыбы бірінші модуль бойынша атақты ғалымдар. Our today's learning objectives. Understand the main points in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk in a limited range of unfamiliar topics. Бүгінгі біздің сабағымыздың негізгі мақсаты жалпы оқу тақырыптарының кең ауқымы бойынша, оның ішінде берілген тақырыптардың шеңберінде кеңейтілген негізгі әңгімелерді түсіну.
Argue.
Argue.
Argue. Develop.
Argue.
Develop.
Develop.
Discover.
Develop.
Discover.
Discover.
Found.
Discover.
Found. Invent.
Found.
Invent.
Invent.
Radioactivity.
Invent.
Radioactivity.
Relativity.
Radioactivity.
Relativity.
World Wide Web. World Wide Web.
Окей, сонымен біз бүгінгі жаңа сөздермен таныстық. Next, exercise 1. First, you know today's new vocabulary. So, first, exercise A. Complete the descriptions 1 to 5 with invented, founded, developed, argued, discovered. First, B. Now match the scientists A to E to their achievements 1 to 5 in exercise. First, they listen and check. Tell the class. It's first exercise. First A, you must complete. And second, you must listen. So, listening. Listen and watch this video.
Famous scientists. The world we live in today would be a different place without the amazing discoveries made by these famous scientists. Nicholas Copernicus lived from 1473 until 1543. Born in the Kingdom of Poland, he was an astronomer who changed how we view the positioning of the Sun, Earth, and other planets. He argued that the Sun was at the center of the universe, when other scientists at the time thought that it was Earth. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879 and died in the USA in 1955. When he was young, he showed great ability in both maths and physics. He developed the theory of relativity and produced one of the most famous equations ever. E equals mc squared. Kaisha Atakanova is a biologist from Kazakhstan. She works to find the effects that nuclear radiation has on genetics. In 2005, she was given the Goldman Environmental Prize for her work with her organization, EcoCenter. Marie Curie was born in 1867 in Poland and died in France in 1934. She was the woman who discovered radioactivity and won the Nobel Prize twice. Her work creating mobile X-ray units helped over 1 million wounded soldiers during the First World War. Tim Berners-Lee is an English computer scientist. He is known as the father of the Internet because he created the World Wide Web. In 2004, Berners-Lee was even knighted by Queen Elizabeth II for his pioneering work. Which field of science would you be interested in?
Okay, peoples, you watched the video and listened. So, do exercise and send me. Okay, I hope you understand today's lesson. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.